Hey now, welcome to FreedomSufferer Cards, video number 812. I sit down, man. And today, I sit. Bam! We will get into this box of Lego and assemble the 007 Aston Martin Ultimate Star Power, man. We are talking about James Bond, man. Cannot wait to get into this. But first, before we get into this and start our assembly, let me continue the theme of YouTube kids and shout out another bright star in this community. We are talking about LittleMissRips. Oh man, are you talking about the creator, man? You're talking about the one that raised and nurtured, man, Crimsonian Broccoli, man. That is right, LittleMissRips. Check that out. You see Crimsonian there, reunited with Greenie. That was all made possible because of LittleMissRips. Crimson. We got Crimsonian Broccoli there, having a good time, man. Ultimate star power, man. Unbelievable stuff there, man. That's true, Randy. She has loads of fun there. Let us not forget what this is all about. It's all about fun and the good times. You will see Funkos there. There's all kinds of foily dang madness too, man. I saw Pokemon there too, man. Good stuff, man. Huge fan. LittleMissRips, man. Come on, man. Just head on over in the video description to join the awesome fun team that is LittleMissRips. Like I said before, motivation goes a long way. All right, man. I'm fired up, man. How we gonna do this, man? Should I assemble it or should you, man? Well, Randy, I think if you assembled it, might take even longer. So I'm gonna do the assembly. Man. All right then, man. Maybe I could sing while you do that, man. I don't know about that, Randy. It might break my concentration. That's a little bit difficult. I get it, man. But how about I'll just sing the theme song, man. I've been working on a remix, man. You've been working on a remix? Yeah, man. You know how it goes, man. Like that's the original, but I got been putting lyrics there, man. Lyrics? Yeah, man. Like how's it go? I think it's Hogan is a coward, man. Hogan is a coward, man. Hogan is a coward, man. Hogan's a big coward, man. And then there's the other part, man. It's how's it go again, man? It's I think I smell a coward. Hogan, is that you, man? I think I smell a coward, man. Hogan, that's you, man. All right, man. I like it anyway, man. Think about it, man. Captain, I think it's pretty catchy, actually. Hogan is a coward, man. All right. Captain, I like it. Maybe I could work on the vocals with you, Captain. No problem, man. You want to do this here or what, man? Guys, I want to get to this assembly. Oh, man, we're just practicing. Don't worry. For a little bit later, man. Maybe take it in the higher octave, man, the second part. I think I smell a coward. Hogan, is that you? I think I smell a coward. Hulk Hogan, that's you. Pretty good, Worf, man. I like it, man. Guys, whatever. You guys want to work on that tune? Just, I'll give you the keys to the studio and you could get in on that. Really, man? Yeah, whatever. If you guys want to do that, don't let me stop you. All right, man. We'll work on that right now, man. We'll come back and see how you're doing in a bit, man. All right. Let's get these pieces out first. later, man. Take care, guys. Good luck. Here we go. Nice book. This is a lot of pieces. I think it's just around 300 pieces, 290 something. Kraken was bigger. See a couple of pieces here. Gonna scroll through this book quickly. You could get an idea step by step. Here we are. Oh man, how you doing, man? You done with that yet, man? Randy, you haven't even started yet. Oh man, unbelievable, Worf. Can you believe that, man? I can't believe that. Freedom is quite slow in a lot of what he does, Randy. Guys, get to your recording. All right, man. There you go. See if that final product looks the same when we do it. Look at all these pieces. Oh man. Here we go. All right. So, comes with a bunch of license plates. We are only going to use one of them. I imagine this one. I'm not going to put all these together. That's for sure. Maybe I will. Who knows? Who knows, man? Randy's still talking through me. All right, man. Look at this. That will be last, I guess. So what I normally do is I lay the pieces out, I organize them, I don't talk, and I just zoom through it, fast forward everything, and put my Lego build tune on top of it. So that's going to be exactly what happens now. I hope you enjoy this, and I will be right with you in, who knows, man, 30 minutes, probably a lot longer than that.
Here we go. There's Daniel Craig. Star power, man. There he is. All right, man.
Jim. This is my kind of music, Master Jim. You. Look at all the madness, man. Complete mental insanity, man. Master Jim. Seems to be I'm a variant cop. I was not created by Lego. I was created by Kupros. Captain, I was created by Kupros.
Was created by Kubros. Created by Kubros. Created by Kubros. Created by Kubros.
Wasn't forever clever, man. From G.I. Joe one you did, man. Cobra Fang. Cobra Commander, man.
Yeah. How was it, Randy?
What's this Kubros all about? Captain. Kubros. I was created by Kubros, Captain.
Kubros. Build it up brick by brick now. Build it up brick by brick now.
Kraken. Master Jim. Blinkus Galadrical. Hey, blue guy, man. What are you doing here, man? Master Jim. I'm watching the other Master Jim assemble Lego. Master Jim. Don't call me that, man. Name is Macho Man Randy Savage, blue guy. Name's Blinky. Blinkus Galadrical. Oh, man. Blue guy, man. Master Jim.
Build it up brick by brick. Said build it up brick by brick. Said.
Master Jim. I love this part, Master Jim. Makes me move all of my arms. All of my arms. Kraken. Damn. Ooh, yeah.
I see.
Wreck those pieces into place, man. Wreck 'em. Crack 'em into place, man. Master Jim, we should go over the steps again, Master Jim. All right, man. I'll do it this time, man. Hey now, don't tell me you don't know how to assemble this creation in the right now. Don't tell me you don't know where the next piece goes with the manual shows. Build it up brick by brick, Hogan. Build it up brick by brick, man. Put it all together with a click, man.
It's really cool.
Small piece, tall piece, little piece too. Put it all together, that's what you gotta do, man. Pull it up brick by brick, man.
Well, we're missing one of these pieces, so hopefully it's in the bag of extras. I can't find it anywhere. First time that's happened. Very disappointing. So we will go with one light smaller than the other for now. Yep. Nowhere to be seen.
Well done, Master Jim. Man, blue guy, told you once, I'll tell
This was probably the problem. Probably used the silver or gray one when I should have used the black one earlier on, but oh well, man. Take care of that later. There it is. That's the problem.
Problem solved, man. Alright, man, alright, man.
Alright, man. And here are all the other license plates from the other James Bond movies. Just put the stickers on all of them. Super cool. This car is super cool. Oh man! And of course, our star power, James Bond. I mean, for an accessory, they gave him a wrench. And now, have you ever seen James Bond use a wrench? I don't know if I have. But because it's Lego and all, and they didn't want to include a gun, but I found in the extras This was part of the exhaust. Oh, there goes his wrench. This was part of the exhaust, but this was also a gun. So, to be a little bit more authentic, there it is, man. All right. We could take off the top. We can make a convertible. Let's give him a seat. Probably, I don't know if he needs the gun. Now, because this is European, this is in the UK, I mean, drives on with the steering wheel on the right side. Let's put him in here. All right, man. He's waving. All of you at home who sat through this beast of an episode, let us put his wrench away and his gun. All right, man. Put it in his back seat. Wrench, gun, and all of his license plates. Cause why not, man? Don't want anything happening. Losing these little pieces. Let's close this all up. And we can close off the episode as well in style. Look at this. What a beautiful, beautiful Lego. Beautiful build here. Come on, man. He's got all kinds of stuff in the back. No, man. Oh, man. I could see in the future maybe someone else driving that car. I don't know, man. Maybe a mini Wolverine in there. Maybe a Skeletor, man. Who knows, man? Maybe even Cobra Commander. And maybe the Barbas. All kinds of possibilities, man. I love it, man. Great work, man. All right, man. How about a round of applause for you for once, man? No, Randy. All right then, man. Round of applause for you for sitting through this. Really, I mean that. That's crazy stuff. I hope you enjoyed this, though. If you did, please give the video a like. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Leave a comment sharing your thoughts. Have you built something like this before? Is your only experience with Lego stepping on it as a parent? Did this motivate you to maybe try this yourselves? I'm telling you, it's all kinds of fun. Or leave a comment about anything at all. Any comment is gold to me. All right, man. Take good care of yourselves too, man. Come on, man. As always, Randy is looking out for everybody. Don't put anybody in the danger zone. You wouldn't want any static with James Bond, man. I don't think so, man. No, man. And I will see you all soon. Real soon.
Of course not, Randy. Pungus is warriors. We got one more to go now, man. All right, man. How about we switch it up, man, and I'll do a higher octave and you do the lower one, man. Sounds good, Captain. Hogan is a coward, man. Leia's a coward, man. Hogan is a coward, man. Leia's a coward, man. Hogan is a coward, man. Leia's a coward, man. Hogan is a coward, man. Leia's a coward, man. Keep it going, though, man. Captain. Leia's a coward, man. Leia's a coward.